the final day to go back home. Early in the morning, we had our breakfast and went to the beach. Enjoy our last day. It was very hot and sunny. And the humidity level was too high, as in the beach areas, you know, it's very sweaty, it's hot. But still, we wanted to enjoy our last day. You can see how green and clear the place is, and it's very tidy. And the beach we have gone, it has clear water. We could see fish just swimming around. Truly enjoyable. It was 10 o'clock in the morning and you can see the sunlight. It's bright and sunny. And in this Redang or any kind of this type of sea area which they preserve it or they keep it clean, you have to wear your swimming costume and go. It's necessary. They do not want you to go in the beach or in the sea with your regular clothes. So it has to be a swimming costume. So we all wore a swimming costume and it's mandatory over there. And one way it is good, as it's very easy to clean too. We all came back to our hotel room, got ready, and by 12 o'clock, we were ready to go back to our home. So, last few photographs to be clicked over here. It was scorching heat, very humid. We all got tanned. You can see the tanning, but truly a superb place to enjoy your weekends. My daughter was so cranky.
What happened, Priya?
She doesn't want to put her feet down. Can we go in that monkey area?
I can also.
That tree thing is there.
More team. Priya, look here.
We are missing the seat.
Ah, look.
Are you the shoot everything?
My elder daughter thoroughly enjoyed her stay. Her face, you can see, is like she's so happy. And this is the small cruise which takes you to the Redang Island, and from Redang Island back to your place. So we have to go to they bring to the other side of the sea, and from there you have to take a bus to the airport. So they were just playing the video on the lounge area where we were waiting for our bus to come. We were very sad. We wanted to go back again seeing the video. So it was so enjoyable. The waiting area was also very big, huge size where you can relax, and we had to wait for 2-3 hours before the bus came. So we were very tired, exhausted. And we were at the same time sad. We were going back home. And if you have a good company of friends, anywhere you go, you enjoy. So our group was truly, we are very nicely bonded. We enjoyed a lot. So we have gone in many places in Malaysia together. So my future videos will also show them. So we were very nicely and tightly bonded. We were there for each other. You can see this is the waiting area. After that, we went to a restaurant to have our food before going to the airport. So, hope you enjoyed my this Redang diary.